Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make frame video in InShot. First, open InShot and import your video. Next, navigate to the canvas option. Here, you can adjust the video's size and position relative to the frame. Choose a suitable aspect ratio, like 16:9 or 9:16, to begin shaping your video's presentation. This initial step is crucial for setting up the overall look and feel of your framed content. Once in the Canvas section, you'll see options to select various aspect ratios. Pick one that best suits your platform, such as 1:1 for Instagram or 9:16 for TikTok. Then, tap on Background to select a solid color, a gradient, or even an image from your gallery to fill the empty space around your video. You can also blur your original video as a background effect. This creates a professional and polished look. To further customize your framed video, explore InShot's other features. You can add text overlays, fun stickers, or even background music to complement your content. Adjust the frame's thickness and color using the Canvas tools to make it stand out. Once you're satisfied with your creation, tap the Export button, usually found in the top right corner. Select your desired resolution, like 1080p, and frame rate, such as 30 frames per second, to save your masterpiece. For more advanced framing, consider using keyframes to animate your frame's position or size over time, adding a dynamic touch. Don't be afraid to experiment with different frame styles, like a subtle border or a bold, contrasting color, to match your video's mood. You can also layer multiple videos or images to create unique multi-frame layouts. Remember to check the description for a link to the new Kindle Paperwhite and other great deals. This will help you create truly unique and engaging framed videos that capture your audience's attention.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.